Today we are going to talk about the Agoda affiliate program, what it is, how it works, and how much you can earn, and whether it's worth your time. Hey everyone, my name is Mahesh Sopari and I'm an ordinary guy from India. But today, I earn in US dollars working online. If someone like me can do it from home with English as my third language, why can't you do the same and start making money for your success? So for more information, you can please check out the first link in the description, okay, and watch the free masterclass. Now let's start with our today's video. Agoda. Agoda is one of the largest travel platform in the world. People use it to book hotels, villas, Airbnbs, and rents across almost every destination you can imagine. Now, here is where the affiliate program comes in. Okay, it's partners.agoda.com, and with Agoda partner program, you can sign up for free. And here you can see there is a sign up button. Okay, please click on that. You will be redirected to a sign up page. Enter all your details, and that's it. You're good to go. Once you're approved, you will be getting your affiliate link. And also, after you get your affiliate link, start earning commissions by recommending their properties and services. Whenever someone books through your affiliate link, you earn a commission of 5 to 6%. So here it is, you can see you'll be earning 5% of commission around. Now let me give you an example. If a customer books a hotel for $200 using your link, you make about $10 in commission. It might not sound like much at first, but remember, the travel industry has very high booking volumes, so the income can add up on. So once you're on the partners program, you just scroll it up and have a look of their website, and you can easily get signed up from these buttons. All right. So as I said, to get started, visit partners.agoda.com. Go to their website, enter your details. Once you click on this sign up, enter your details. After you get approved, you'll get your affiliate link. Share that link in your blog, website, YouTube channel, or social media accounts. So if people book through your link, Agoda pays you. Payments are available through PayPal and other payout methods, which makes it beginner friendly. Now you should know things to keep in mind. The tracking cookie of Agoda affiliate program lasts only 1 day. That means if someone clicks your link but doesn't book within 24 hours, you won't get the commission. This program works best, if you are already having an audience like a travel blog, YouTube channel, or Instagram page. So if your brand is new to the market, it will be harder because you don't have people to promote to yet. But it's still possible if you stay consistent, start building content around travel things. Okay. Once you get your audience and start building your website and driving traffic to that website, then it would be very easy not only to get promoted with Agoda, also you can sign up to n number of travel affiliate programs and start making money. So guys, yes, the Agoda affiliate program is legit and you can earn real money promoting travel services. But here is the truth. Affiliate programs like this will only pay off if you take action and stay consistent. And remember, if an ordinary Indian guy like me can build an online business and earn in US dollars from home with English as my third language, then you can too. So for more information about my favorite strategy, that which makes me around $100 to $500 per day, you can please check out the first link in the description. And don't forget to watch the free masterclass in the second link, because your success is in your hands. So take the first step today and let's build something great for tomorrow. Have a great day. Meet you in my next video. Bye-bye.